So we are dropping by a local animal shelter, and we're gonna take a couple of rescue dogs out for a day of fun in the mountains.
We're at Heart of the Valley Animal Shelter, where Ben Donahue helps care for nearly 200 lost and surrendered pets.
Oh. How are you? How are you?
This black one here, that's Ruckus.
Ruckus?
Yeah. And this little blonde one, that's Belle.
Belle. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, what's up? There we go. Now we're
friends.
meeting each other.
Now we're friends.
Ben tells us that field trips are an important part of the shelter's mission.
We do have volunteers. They'll come and they'll take them for hikes. They're young, they're kind of high energy, and it's great for them just to get out of the shelter and just relieve some stress.
Nice. You guys ready to go on an adventure?
Yeah. Ready to get in the car? All right. Hop on in.
Yeah. So when they're riding in the car, we actually will buckle these guys into the seat belts just to make sure they're safe like we are.
We're headed to Fairy Lake Trailhead in the Bridger Mountains, about an hour away.
The dogs are doing real well. They seem to be seasoned travelers, but as good of travelers as these guys are, I can tell they're getting as antsy as I am to get to this trailhead and start hiking. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We're here. Okay. We're here.
Got all the supplies we need. I got water for me. I've got some bear spray just in case. We got water for the dogs. It's gonna be a great hike.
All right.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
This is a dog-friendly trail, but the rules can change seasonally, so it's always a good idea to double check. Right off the bat, we're reminded of our responsibilities. Leave no trace applies to everyone.
We're hiking up to Sacagawea Peak. We've got about a little over 2 miles to get to the top, and we're gonna be gaining about 2,000 feet of elevation. So about 1,000 feet up for each mile. A pretty decently steep hike. It's important to wait until your dog has finished growing before taking it on a serious hike. You don't want to strain growing bones. Also, older dogs are prone to arthritis and painful joints, so a strenuous hike could do more harm than good. If in doubt, ask your veterinarian.
Wow. Wow. That is pretty. Fairy Lake sits in the forested bowl at the base of Sacagawea Peak. It's a peaceful spot to paddleboard, fish, or just enjoy the view. And this is why I love Montana. It's absolutely stunning. Bears do not like surprises, which is why we make lots of noise.
Hey, bear!
And never let the dogs run. When you're dealing with dogs, you want to keep them on a leash at all times. Because if you come across something like a bear, you don't want them to get spooked and possibly have a situation where you could get hurt or the dog could get hurt.
This is a huge national forest, and some of the tallest mountains in the state of Montana are right here. Once you get above tree line, it just changes so quickly. These granite peaks that seem to have every side of them just chiseled out.
Hey, what do you think we stop here in this shade?
Yeah, get them some water. I could use some myself.
Yeah. Drink, buddy? All right, man. You ready? It's always important when you're out hiking with your dog that you make sure that they're properly hydrated. A good rule of thumb is that dogs need at least 8 ounces of water per dog per hour of hiking. Also, regular snacks will help keep their energy level high. And some for me.
Yeah.
All right.
The scenery is incredible too. The trail passes through a glacial cirque, which is an amphitheater-like valley formed by glacial erosion.
There's nothing quite like Montana in the summertime, especially when you're up in the mountains. So you've got just these beautiful peaks, all of this greenery, but then the wildflowers that are out here just pop all of this color. You got yellow, blue, purple. It's something else. Whenever I come back here, I'm always kind of kicking myself as to why I ever left. But hey, that's why you come back, right? Yeah, the ridge. What a view. Man, it's crazy how you can see right down into the valley. Like, it just like goes straight down.
And the further up we go, the more we can see all of these different mountain ranges around us.
It's incredible.
All right, guys, we're almost there. I know you're slowing down a bit.
It'll be worth it. You're gonna love the view, I promise.
Should we keep going? What do you say? Okay, yeah, let's go. Here we go. Rockets this way. To the summit.
Come here, this way.
Woo!
This way.
We made it. Good boy.
Yay!
We did it. Good doggy.
Good girl.
Wow.
Woo. Oh, man.
Man, what a hike.
Yeah.
That was no joke. He started off just leading the charge, and he didn't slow down a ton, but towards the end, he definitely was feeling it.
But we're close to 10,000 feet, and even for a dog, that's gonna get you huffing and puffing.
Oh yeah, totally.
Maybe I'm projecting a little bit, but
The view from up here is incredible. I mean, it's a sheer drop off over there. We've got these massive peaks next to us.
I don't know. Looking at where we are right now, you can see how you might be able just to hang right on this ridgeline and just go from peak to peak to peak all the way into town.
Ruckus, come here. Come sit with me. Come on. Sit down, yeah.
Soak this in, shall we go?
Sit down, yeah, there we go. There we go.
You come here, you come to me. Come here.
It's amazing how quickly you can bond with dogs, and there are shelters all over the country where you can go and adopt a pup of your own. And they're just so nice, and they're just so cute, and just waiting for a good home.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.